Hello everyone, and welcome to our latest vlog episode. Today, we are standing outside of the nicest two-family home in all of Queens. We're located in Bellerose on a 60 by 100 lot, and we have a CO in our hand already. For anyone that's worked in New York City, you know how hard that is. We can close on this thing right away, and let's just go through the layout real quick. We've got a total of 6,000 square feet of living space. We've got 2,000 on each the first and second floor, and a 2,000 square foot fully finished basement with multiple outside entrances. On the second floor, we've got 3 bedrooms and 2 baths with a living, dining, and kitchen. On the first floor, we've got 3 bedrooms and 3 baths with a living, dining, kitchen, and 2 of those bedrooms are en suites. And then we've got the basement with a full bath, a laundry, and a hookup for another laundry and a future kitchen, and just an unbelievably beautiful finished but blank slate for you to make whatever you really need it for. As you look up, the curb appeal, the all brick exterior, the Andersen color matched windows and gutters and leaders, this house has tremendous curb appeal. All your downspouts, all your leaders are piped to a dry well, and the timeless look of this brick just really stands out. This is another side door that goes to the first floor unit. The basement feels very much like a above ground living space because you have these full-size windows that are entirely above grade. And this builder signature is all this masonry. You've got stoops everywhere, granite, stone, and pavers, these really nice cast iron railings. Another entrance to the downstairs area, and this will be fully sodded before delivery. So every corner of this property will be meticulously landscaped from corner to corner. As we make our way inside, you'll see that we're greeted by this really nice living space. We've got our TV and built-ins right there. We've got closets. We've got a door to the side yard. And this closet right here is where all your low voltage comes down to, so you can have your router, you can have your camera equipment, all tucked away neatly in this closet. There's high ceilings, there's hi-hats, lots of natural light. We've got these white oak floors, separate thermostats, of course, and all the bedrooms are a really generous size. This one's got 9-foot ceilings, really nice trim work all around, and one of the signatures of this builder is to do these really nice closets. They're all made with solid wood, even the backing. And this is a big expense when you buy a new house to outfit all your closets. So all the closets throughout the house are done. The other 2 bedrooms are en suites. We've got a full bath here for the common areas. And this room right here has its own bath, natural stone, really nice finishes, another closet with built-ins, and every room is pre-wired for TV and internet. I really like all the trim details throughout the house. We've got our kitchen with porcelain tile. Everything in this house is gas cooking, gas heat, and gas hot water, dedicated HVAC for each zone, dedicated HVAC for the basement, separate hot water heater, separate meters, separate entrances for the living spaces and the outdoor spaces. So as we make our way through the kitchen, we have this really nice covered space out here. It really doesn't feel like Queens here. It feels very residential. You could come out here, have your barbecue, have your little outdoor area as well. I really like the way this is set up. And then this last bedroom right here is also an ensuite. And again, these are very generous sized rooms. These are full-size egress Andersen windows. We've got another full bath and another closet that's fully outfitted. We're still working our way through this first unit, and this side door takes us down to the driveway. So you don't have to walk across the whole front. You go right out to the driveway. And we also can go down to this basement right here. And this is just ridiculous. We still have a little bit of cleaning to do, a little bit of a punch list, so please excuse the mess. But in some areas, this basement's as much as 10 feet tall. It's been expanded in both directions. We're pre-wired for TV and internet. We have plumbing for your future bathroom and kitchen, but there's also a full bath here already. Same themes as upstairs, walk-in shower, tub spout. We've got a room here for all your electrical. You've got a water service. We've got a pump here for the future. So if you were gonna add another kitchen down here, all the underground plumbing is done already. This is our water meter, and these are our electric panels. They're labeled by floor. This is not an easy place to work, guys. If you're gonna be building in New York City, you gotta know that it's not a walk in the park. So check this out. We've got another entrance to the outside. Again, look at this beautiful stonework. It's really nicely done. You can see the attention to detail and craftsmanship. They have a full-time mason on staff, and clearly you can see that they keep him busy. Once again, we mentioned this outside, but these windows make it feel like we're not really in a basement because they're full size and they're fully above grade. We've got our laundry here. Against that wall right there, I mentioned that we have all the plumbing set up already. So we have another washer dryer hookup. Maybe the potential owner will want to keep a portion of this basement for themselves and a portion of this basement for the other tenants. So we set up for a separate washer dryer here. We also plumbed in for a full bath. So one day in the future, you could close this off and have a 5x8 bath with a standing shower here, a toilet here, and a vanity here with a door right here. The rest of this space is very flexible. You have a nice living space. You have a boiler room right here. There's a separate thermostat down here because there's a separate central air zone down here. And let's get to my favorite part, the mechanical room. We've got separate hot water heaters, separate boilers. As you can see, the central air is labeled for the basement. We've got a separate zone of central air here. And you can see the attention to detail in this room. In a ground-up two-family, you really don't want a doorway connecting the two units. So this is totally separate, and there's no connection from the first floor to the second floor. Of course, if you had a big family living together, you can always add that in. But for safety and security, this unit is totally separate. And these stairs take you up to the second floor, where we have these same beautiful oak floors and a very similar layout. We've got this big living space, same beautiful trim work, separate zone of central air and heating, separate hot water. We've got this pull-down staircase for the attic for additional storage for this floor. And again, these really generous bedrooms. This one has a full bath, Andersen windows, lots of natural light. We've got another very large bedroom over here. And again, the closets are 100% complete, just like on the first floor. So you could just move in and start enjoying your home right away or rent it right away. We've got the kitchen here. Same exact setup as the first floor. And everybody wants an outdoor space nowadays. So we have this really nice terrace where you can set up your barbecue and have the same quality of life as the people on the first floor. And then our last room on this level is this nicely sized bedroom with walk-in closet. Thank you everyone for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you like content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you need more than our once a month video episode, please check me out on Instagram, @Pinnacle Real Estate is my handle. We're gonna be live on MLS with this listing in the next few days, and we're gonna have open houses coming up this weekend. Please stop by, say hello, and I think you guys know by now, if you've been following for some time, whether it's Queens or all the way out east, we do what's best for our clients. We showcase the listings in the most professional way possible, and we hope that you'll give us an opportunity to do the same. Thank you everyone, and have a great day.